Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, my name is Mwangi Maina from Inoro TV. You have said that the Treasury has been directed to provide enough funds. I would like you probably to mention how much money has the government set aside to respond to this crisis. Again, you have asked the county governments to work in collaboration with the Ministry of Interior. We have seen some counties have already started setting aside money to respond to this crisis. So how will the national government and the county government work hand in hand to ensure that there is a seamless response? Thank you.
We have three things in quick succession. Treasury has been mobilized to, number one, prioritize disbursements to counties to make sure that counties have the necessary resources to deploy intervention to manage this crisis. Number two, we have also directed Treasury to provide resources to our NGCDF and members of Parliament to prioritize the reconstruction of school infrastructure that has been destroyed by the floods. Number three, we have also directed the Treasury, working with the Ministry of Roads and Infrastructure and our military, to provide resources for roads, bridges, and other travel infrastructure that has been destroyed by the roads, by the floods. And we have asked Treasury to work with the resources they have, engage with development partners, and we are also encouraging the private sector to step forward. In fact, private sector persons, individuals, and organizations who wish to contribute to this national effort, the Office of the Deputy President will coordinate that effort, and additional information on how citizens, private sector individuals, private sector institutions can participate in this exercise will be issued by the Office of the Deputy President.
Mr. President, my name is Paul Kirobi from TV47. I have a question pertaining the doctors' strike. How will the government ensure that Kenyans continue to get healthcare services? And another question, what is the status of the dams that were earmarked for the construction by the government? Thank you.
I think let's keep to the subject of this press conference. Other matters will be handled differently. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, my name is